There was a Zen master who was asked, what's the essence of Zen? And now there are many different kinds of answers the masters give. None of them are answers that you would expect. And the master said, Zen is doing one thing at a time. Is that it? Yeah. That's all you need to know. Doing one thing at a time. So attention on what you're doing and attention on attention. Then you're no longer an egoic doer. If you don't have attention on attention, the doing becomes egoic seeking. And it's not empowered. It comes out of the conditioning of your mind. So, attention on what you're doing and attention on attention. So the most important thing to get here is to be able to be aware of yourself as consciousness, or attention on attention.